This cool cat is playing copycat, I guess? This man learned how to surf while shaving his face. That could end really badly. Spinning out of control on a bird feeder, but still trying to reach those seeds. This guy knows what's gonna happen next time he's at the airport. And this time he's ready. Maybe just set your alarm for like an hour earlier next time?
Whoa, check out this bioluminescent algae in the sand. Oh wow.
Like that's like...
Oh my gosh, that is crazy.
These surfers caught a once-in-a-lifetime wave. Bioluminescent algae is awesome.
It's glowing so much.
So much. Oh, it's so glowy. Wow, Raya, it looks so cool.
Can you see it like around us?
Yeah.
Of all the videos on YouTube, this furry guy picks the funniest ones. This driver is insane. Not a scratch on any of the cars. Hey, if you pay for the Coke, you get to drink it all. Even though that little monkey's so cute. This giant Pacific octopus is an underwater bandit. I bet that camera's expensive. Now you've seen everything, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!